Today, you're going to learn how to claim allowable expenses as a self-employed person using ChatGPT as your tax assistant. I'll walk you through the exact prompts you can copy and paste to understand which expenses you can claim, how to record them properly, and how to avoid mistakes when filing. This guide is perfect for beginners, freelancers, sole traders, creators, and anyone completing a self-assessment tax return for the first time. Before you begin, gather your receipts, invoices, bank statements, mileage logs, and any records of business-related purchases. If you're unsure what counts as an allowable expense, the first prompt will help you identify them. Start with this simple prompt. Create a beginner-friendly list of allowable expenses for self-employed people in the UK with simple examples. This gives you a clear list of what you can claim, from travel to software to home office costs. Next, personalize your expenses with this prompt. Ask me questions about my business activities and create a list of allowable expenses I can claim based on my situation. After you answer, you'll get a customized expense list that applies to your specific type of work. If you want to organize your expenses properly, create a simple folder structure and monthly routine for recording my business expenses so I stay organized for my tax return. This helps you keep receipts sorted and prevents last-minute stress. For extra clarity, add this prompt. Explain why each expense is allowable using short and simple examples. This helps you feel confident during filing. Before completing your return, double-check with this accuracy prompt. List the common mistakes people make when claiming allowable expenses and how I can avoid them. Finally, build good habits for the future using create a weekly or monthly habit that helps me capture expenses consistently throughout the year. And that's it. Claiming allowable expenses becomes simple when you understand what qualifies and keep organized records. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and at the end to guide your process. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.